Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by preparing the controller and assigning the ability. Make sure the controller firmware is updated and battery is above 50%. This prevents disconnects mid-activation. Open the in-game skill menu and assign Force Lightning to a primary hotkey so you won't fumble. Once assigned, remap that ability to a convenient controller button. Choose a bumper or face button you access without dropping aim. This initial configuration saves time and keeps your hands ready for fast combos. Now practice the execution. Hold target lock or aim and press the assigned button in controlled bursts. You want a 2-tap rhythm, quick press, release, then a short pause of about 0.2 to 0.5 seconds, because sustained hold drains energy and reduces bolt chaining. Once done, combine the button taps with subtle joystick adjustments to steer the lightning between clustered enemies for maximum chaining damage. Make sure to watch your energy bar and time bursts between dodges to avoid being vulnerable. Finish by integrating cooldown and resource management into your routine. You should monitor energy and cooldown meters and shorten bursts if you approach low energy. This keeps you from being stranded. Make sure to bind a secondary button for emergency cancel or reposition so you can evade mid-cast. If the controller input feels unresponsive, rebind the ability, recalibrate the controller dead zone in settings, and restart the controller connection. If that fails, update firmware. One key tip: test changes in a low-risk area before committing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.